beats and we got the new part. I need the new tapes going crazy. Listen, I need the hard songs, you know, that just get the 17 vibes. Nah, not copyright. Look for the underground tough shit. Y'all know, put in the tapes. Go crazy, man. Bring it back. Come on, let's see. We got something here. Combo tape. I'm just about to surf on, see what I can find. Start off a little bit, see what it finds. You know, it's had a little start to it. It says combo tape, Dribble God tape, best standstill dribbler. All right, when I like when I see stuff like that, because it's like, okay, he must really got the movement. So let's see. Let's see. We got the star, man. We putting this shit down till he turn me up, man. Okay.
Yeah, I'm standing up, got it in Roll.
Guns up with a fuck nigga, better know I'm shooting shit like Rondo.
Okay, Rondo.
Fuck, she tryna butt in, tell the stupid bitch get out the convo.
The hoe.
This bitch tryna play with that chest, tell the nigga I need a shit.
Got the vibe.
He be dissing and shit, catch a nigga and pop.
Oh.
Breathing in gun smoke. You can't come around here, nigga, pussy as fuck. I can see you gon' talk to the popo. Talk too tough out his mouth, catch a nigga down back.
You bring that shit back.
Leaving his ass in the
Ah.
trying to catch up, nigga, mad he a
Ooh. Ah.
Fuck out the gun, tell a nigga go put the Glock down, I beat a nigga out like JoJo. Seen him with talk to
Yeah.
the nigga not talking no more. Speak on the D, put his ass on the ground, finna have his ass cry like a hoe. Fuck nigga stupid, talk about gunning me down, yeah the nigga must be out some coke.
He moving.
Smoke his ass nigga better know I'm shooting shit like Rondo. Why the fuck she tryna butt in? Tell the stupid bitch get out the convo. Go down this bitch on the pop that chest. Tell the nigga I need a shit pronto. He be dissing this shit, catch a nigga in purse, have a nigga ass breathing in gun smoke. But he cat with them hoes tryna act like he got it. His dad really dunk on no funds though. He can't come around here, nigga pussy as fuck. I can see you don't talk to the popo. Talk too tough out his mouth.
Oh my god.
Come out the cut, get the throwing at his ass in the field. Tony Romo.
Ooh, you got it. You got it. Yeah, the new age, the new ones. Where y'all at?
Bitch, get out the convo.
Get out the convo.
Tell a nigga I need a shit pronto. He be dissing this shit, catch a nigga in purse, have a nigga ass breathing in gun smoke. But he cat with them hoes tryna act like he got it. His dad really dunk on no funds though. He can't come around here, nigga pussy as fuck. I can see he gon' talk to the popo. Talk too tough out his mind, catch a nigga down bad, tryna leave his ass rojo. Come out the cut, get the throwing at his ass in the field, but I'm not Tony Romo.
Oh my god. He ate on this shit. Ugh. You ate. Oh my god.
Like a hoe. Like fuck nigga stupid. Talk about gunning me down, yeah the nigga must be out some coke. I don't like how you moving. Smoke his ass go out of town, nigga already know how it go. Guns up with a fuck nigga, better know I'm shooting.
Oh my god, I can't stop playing this shit. The song, the vibe, how he cooking. Man, this deserves way more likes. God damn, a month ago. I'm glad I'm back on it. This was a banger. Oh my god. The #1 standstill. I think I'm just gonna leave it on this one. It's been a minute. Y'all gotta pop out and pop in the comment section and tell me who got the tapes. This standstill was so
Tony Romo.
This nigga is tough. Like, he brought me back to 17. He brought me back to 17 for sure. Like, damn. He is super tough. The song, like, that's the best thing too. Like, when y'all can get the song, like, to go with how y'all moving, it just make it go crazier.
Have a nigga ass breathing in gun smoke. But he cat with them hoes trying to act like he got it. His dad really dunk on no funds though. He can't come around here, nigga pussy as fuck. I can see you gon' talk to the popo. Talk too tough out his mind, catch a nigga down bad, trying to leave his ass rojo. Come out the cut,
fastball mental. Oh man. He is tough, man. Y'all gotta go get with this, man. Still scoring. That's his name. Yeah, he crazy. He's crazy. He definitely deserves more subs. Like, he be moving. Like I said, I'm going for all the underrated. Like, the underrated, like, with this, 93. What does he got? 53 subs. I got the Matrix Shades on, man. Y'all can't see my eye, man. Neil Shades. Listen, we got another little underrated one, man. We gonna like I said, I don't know if these songs is copyrighted. It's starting off sounding tough. We gonna let it play. I play like 3 seconds of it. I play 3 seconds and see if it just get that first initial start. Or it got that, if it got that vibe. All right, Sunny Tape, you know, Sunset Beach, it's the vibe, man. Y'all gotta appreciate this. Drop the likes, man. Share it. Comment down who got tapes. That's tough standstills. I'm looking for the tough standstills with the tough music to it.
Get down, nigga.
See what he on.
Let's go,
I
nigga.
don't even know what bro name is.
Hey, Zan, take a look in the book, better not skip a chapter. I'm a real ass nigga, not a regular nigga. Been facing my fears.
He look like he a glidey guy. Oh, hey.
Take his ass down if a nigga got take his ass down if a nigga got low nap shit. I'll tie that up with a room. I'm telling him shit on, tell him no joke.
GA Show, what's that? The gang?
Got shit in my cup, nigga. Feel
That's
like
the gang?
So stay by my side, cause I'm giving them niggas
Okay.
stressed out as a bitch. And I just need a nigga stressed out as a bitch. Bro going up, jack clouded and shit's a short trip.
Yeah, he a glide boy. Hey.
All niggas pouting and shit. I'm finna prevail, but they real I doubt in the kid. She's in the front, I ain't smoking no soap in the front. I was real I choking the bitch. Get out, nigga. Nigga can't fuck with the trolls. Can't fuck with the trolls. Nigga get put in the dirt like a mold. Nigga some shit like a fucking commode. From 12 with this blick in my tongue. Cold ass nigga like Steve Austin. Shit go around like an Oval Office. Brody asked about Poe, had to tell him my love.
He moving.
Nigga trying to get to the top of this shit, but a nigga ain't gon' be hating like shit. Had to get him a price. Like, how did you cross me? Nigga like, that's where you lost me. Bitch ass nigga. Get out, nigga.
Moving. And I like the new, oh my god. Y'all see how they like the movie looking? Like the little glide style is like tough. Like look when he go, I'll be noticing the little detail of the animation. Like look right here. Hold on. I'm gonna stop it on here. Like look at this shit. I'll be looking at the detail. Like right when he about to do this move right here and put it like, I think he put it between his legs. Yeah, when he put it between his legs, that's crazy right there. That's crazy right there. Like, let me see if I slow that down. That's crazy right there. I pay attention to all the detail. Look. Oh my god. That was so fast. Like, this shit too tough. Like, I'll be noticing, like, this takes a lot of stick skill, hand coordination, taking your time. He was cooking.
Niggas ain't go to the top of this shit, but a nigga ain't gon' be hating like shit. Had to get him a price to call him my brother. Like, how did you cross me? Nigga, like, that's where you lost me. Bitch ass nigga. Get out, nigga.
Okay. Random guy right here. We gonna drop it like, you know, we drop it like Jorg. God, I don't even know how to say your name. Jorg. We gonna call him Jorg. Jorg went crazy as well. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Turned me up though with the standstill. That brought me back to 17. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is the new style that I'm getting used to, and I'm noticing how it's tough. The new glide style, like, you know, I'm seeing how the glide style could turn up, but for sure, it's the standstill always gonna turn me up. That bring me back to the old time, like when you could just chain the combos together and then you move a little bit. Oh, move to there, you do something different. Yeah, that's crazy. But this was super tough too. Like he was moving like right here. He was moving like he moving different. Like like moving look that little throw throw the ball, walk back It's hard to guard something like this too. Y'all know. So hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Hit that like. We got more coming on the way. I'll see y'all in the next one.